This Subthump subwoofer enclosure is purpose-built for late 2007 through 2013 Silverado and Sierra crew cab trucks. So the fit under the rear seat is precise and does not require cutting or drilling. The design accommodates four 8-inch subwoofers in a front-firing layout, which delivers a wall of bass that easily rivals many larger cone setups in real-world listening. A heavily braced internal structure with dual-separated chambers keeps the box rigid, helping the subwoofers stay tight and controlled even at high output levels. The enclosure provides a sensible internal air volume for each pair of drivers, giving most quality 8-inch subwoofers the space they need to sound full rather than boomy. Pre-installed speaker terminals and a clean charcoal gray carpet finish make the box straightforward to wire up and help it blend in nicely with factory-style interiors. For truck owners who want serious low-end without sacrificing rear seating, this enclosure offers a very strong mix of output, durability, and factory-like integration.